I wonder what this is. I wonder if I can take this and have some fun by myself.
Ah!
Oh, I wasn't expecting you there, Knucklehead. So what is this whole pile of stuff?
Cake.
What are they for?
They're for New Year.
New Year's Eve?
New Year's Eve.
Cool, bro. What do you
What
have there?
time?
What do you have there?
I have
You drinking wine?
no.
What are you doing? Drinking a wine?
No.
What's that for?
This.
Oh, it's for the bottle rockets.
Take a picture just for
That
Ashley.
makes sense.
Cool. What else you got there? Okay, you can put the wine bottle down.
Yeah. Bunch of spray.
What are those? Those are fountains, right?
Yeah, fountains.
Cool, bro.
As you know.
Cause my money bought them.
Yes.
What else you got?
You're probably like, what are these sticks doing here?
What are those sticks?
These
You hit people with them?
No.
No.
They're Roman candles.
Roman candles, cool.
Yeah. So you're probably like, what are Roman candles doing?
Cool.
You
What else we got, Knucklehead?
light them and then
What are those big square boxes?
what? These
Yeah.
cakes.
They're cakes?
Not cakes.
Oh, can we eat them? What do we eat them after the fireworks display?
No.
They got multiple mortars in them, huh?
Yeah, murders.
Oh, cool. What else you got there? I see you got something else there.
Where?
Bottle rockets.
The
Looks like you've been into those already, dude.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we're going to wait for the rest of them until it gets dark out. Hey, put that stomach away. That's kind of nasty.
Well, as you see, guys.
Ah, you have some spent Roman candles, huh?
Yeah.
I gotcha.
These ones. Yeah, we already blew off.
Cool, man. Just a couple more hours. We can blow them off. It's going to get dark, huh?
Yeah.
Celebrate the new year?
Mhm.
Awesome.
There's Gigi.
There's Gigi.
Hey G. Yeah. Do you wanna see the camera?
What?
There's G. There's G.
Of course, she has to take a picture.
She's taking
right?
pictures, sending it to your
Ashley.
cousin. Okay, bud, let's sign off and then we'll come back on once we start lighting them off. Sound cool?
Okay, then we do like a crazy done video.
Okay. Oh no, crazy. Hey, Knucklehead, what's up? It's a little dark. House is a little bit brighter.
Bible.
What's up? You're gonna do that? We're gonna start the fireworks display with a Roman candle lighting. Ready?
Yeah.
Stick that baby out. Down range. Let's get the light on there, then hold it out there. Nice ricochet. Still going. Still going. What was that? Okay, bury that front in the ground. May the fireworks show commence. That's the beginning.
Take a picture.
You like that, huh, buddy?
fine, yeah. You think her ears hurt her before?